Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps on how to allow your contacts to call you on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've ever wondered how to manage your call privacy settings, this tutorial will make it super easy to set everything up just the way you want. First, open the Telegram application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three small horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll notice a lot of options, but for this task, we'll focus on Privacy and Security. Click on that to continue. Now, under the Privacy and Security section, you'll find different privacy features for your account. Locate the option called Calls. This is where you can control who's allowed to reach you with a call on Telegram. Click directly on Calls. Here you'll see different privacy choices. To make sure only people you trust can contact you, choose the option My Contacts. With this setting enabled, only the contacts you have saved in your Telegram account will be able to call you. This strikes a perfect balance between privacy and staying connected with friends and family. Once you've selected My Contacts, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. Without saving, your changes won't be applied. After you press Save, your settings will be updated instantly, and your account is now set so only your Telegram contacts can call you. That's it. Your call privacy settings are now customized. This update makes it easier than ever to control who has direct access to you, giving you both convenience and peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you go ahead and set up your own Telegram just like this, so you only receive calls from people you actually know. It's a simple tweak, but it keeps your experience secure and enjoyable. Thank you for watching.